Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, alloy wheels, keyless ignition, fog lights, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.